Come with me to discover our island with Discover Santiago Island. We headed toward the interior about a 45 minutes drive before the adventure begins. First waterfall, beautiful and still unknown, perfect for anyone who loves privacy and untouched nature. Then we hiked to the next one and I even found some fruits along the way. Second waterfall, smaller, but just as stunning, peaceful and refreshing. Lunch in the middle of nature and some fresh coconut water. The third and last waterfall is with the famous Red Bridge, a must-see spot. And to finish, some desserts. Thank you, Discover Santiago Island, for such an amazing tour.